Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So this is my daughter Bailey. Her hair is already prepped for this style, but I will let you guys know what I have used on her hair so far. So I pre-pooed her hair with the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water detangler. I've also shampooed her hair with the Camille Rose Clean Rinse Honey and Peppermint. Really good. I deep conditioned her hair with the Mielle Babasu and Mint Deep Conditioner, and I already put in her leave-in conditioner, which is also by Mielle from their Pomegranate and Honey line. All of these products work really well on her hair, and I absolutely love them. So for her styler, I'm going to be using the Just For Me Curl Piece Olive Oil, Aloe Vera, and Coconut Water Gel, and this works on her hair beautifully as well. Clumps them really nicely. So this is how it looks on the inside. Just looks like a regular gel. So I'm going to start off by spraying her hair with a little bit of water. I had already detangled her hair when I applied her leave-in conditioner, but I'm just doing this to make sure that her hair is still nice and detangled before putting on the gel. So I'm just going to take some of that gel and smooth and rake that all throughout her hair in small sections, which is also really important doing this step. And then I'm going to shingle just a little bit to make sure that her curls are nice and separated. So I'm just going to be doing these same steps in small sections all over her head. I'm going to take a small section, spray with a little bit of water, further detangle, apply the gel, smooth and rake, and then shingle. So for this style, she's going to have a little bun in the front per her request. So I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and create that part to make sure that it's nice and straight. And then I'm going to continue to finish off the back of her hair the same way I was doing before. And then we will work on the bun. And you guys, I cannot stress this enough, but when you're working with type 4 hair in particular, it is just so much easier to work in small sections. It just makes the process a whole lot smoother. And then the sections that you're not working with in that particular moment, to just twist it back up so it doesn't re-tangle on itself. So doing this on not only myself, but my daughter has just made doing her hair a whole lot smoother, and nobody is mad, upset, or crying at the end of the session. All right, so now we are done with the back completely, and we're going to go ahead and work on this bun in the front. So I'm just taking a little bit of that gel that I was using on her hair earlier, and I'm just taking my my rat tail comb and smoothing that product on her hair just like so. I'm also going to take a toothbrush and to make sure that her hair is nice and smooth and as sleek as I can get it. And I'm also going to be using my Edge Fixer Max Hold in Watermelon. I have like 3 different scents and they all work really well, and they smell good too. So I'm going to smooth that on her hair as well, and then go ahead and create that ponytail just like so. Also, while creating this ponytail, I want to make sure that it is not tight. I know how my head is when I'm doing a bun or a ponytail or even a high puff. If it is too tight, I have a headache and it's just not comfortable. So I definitely make sure that I don't, when I do create ponytails for my daughter, that it is not tight, because I don't want her to be uncomfortable or in pain from the tension, okay? So make sure your ponytails aren't too tight, aren't pulling the edges or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a little simple 2-strand strand twist and create her bun on the top, and it is so cute. I'm going to take another little rubber band to secure that because I don't like using bobby pins on her hair. So this is how her hair is looking so far. This step is definitely optional. If you want to air dry, you can certainly do that. I know I'm not a fan of walking around with a wet scalp and wet hair, so I like to diffuse her hair. So I'm just taking my blow dryer and attaching the diffuser, and I'm going to go ahead and dry her hair until it's about at least 90-ish, 95% of the way dry. After I am done diffusing, I'm going to go ahead and grease her scalp, which is definitely vital for her scalp health, and particularly because her scalp can get really dry. So I'm just going to use my Sulfur 8, which has worked wonders for her. I'm going to put that on her part, as you guys saw there, but I also opened up the back of her hair in section by section to put that grease on there as well. So I went ahead and adorned this hairstyle with a cute bow, and I'm also taking this E-Blast oil by Auntie Jackie's Kids, and I'm putting that all over her hair just like so, just to scrunch out the crunch from the gel and to give her hair a little bit more sheen. All right, you guys, that is it for this cute hairstyle. My baby actually starts pre-K coming up soon, and I am just so excited for her. And per her request, she wanted curly hair and she also wanted a bun, so I had to make it happen for my baby. I thought this hairstyle came out super cute. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. I love y'all. I thank y'all so much for clicking and watching. I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.